Intercept, folks. Ooh, look at that lightning. This is what you call the jungles of North Alabama right here. I have found no signs of hail in this storm yet. Now, it wouldn't surprise me if there is some. But I have found, we have not intercepted any hail to this moment. Oh my goodness. Well, folks, you're looking at some live damage here now on stream.
National Weather Service Huntsville. This is Dan.
Hey, yes, sir. My name is Sam Camp. I'm a storm spotter, and we have what looks like to be a whole entire tree laying down across County Road 64 right on the Limestone Lauderdale County line. And it looks like, I think we have, I can't tell if that, okay, yes, that is a power line that is down too. It took a power line down with it too. I have all this live on my stream too, if y'all need confirmation. I was about to tweet a picture of that as well.
Okay.
And that was with the first storm that went through. That is not with this second storm that has came through. That is in Lexington right now.
Okay, so it was with the first cell there.
It is with the first cell. In that first cell, I only found hail, or little pea-sized hail, nothing off the charts. It's on Bailey Road, which is Bailey Road and County Line Road Northwest.
That's where you saw the pea-sized hail.
This is where I saw the pea-sized hail and the tree down.
Okay, I thought that was County Road 64 that you said.
It says County Road 64. County Road 58. County Road 58. There you go. It is County Road 58, okay. Cross Street, County Line Road.
Okay. So it's County Road 58 then, not 64.
County Road 58, Cross Street, 64. Or County Road 58, Cross Street. Cross Street, Cross Street, County Line Road.
Okay. And you just saw this right now?
Yes, as I was calling you.
Okay. You have a power line down, trees down, and dime size. Or what did you say the hail size was?
Penny to dime, dime to penny.
Penny to dime. Okay. All right, I've got it down. Thank you so much. We appreciate the report there.
You're welcome, and y'all have a good one.
Okay, you too. Bye.
Bye.
Yep.